explain the use of final keyword in variable, method, and class. See here, in Java, final keyword is used as defining something as constant or final and referring the non-access modifier. See here, final variable mainly used to restrict the inheritance. And you can also define a variable as constant by using final keyword. Okay, so how this final keyword is used before variable and before method and before class? Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, see first here when final variable, when a variable is declared as final in Java, the value can't be modified once it is assigned. So you cannot change the final variable value. Okay, you cannot modify the final variable value. Okay, if any value has not been assigned to that variable, actually during declaration only you need to declare the you need to initialize the value of final variable. If not, you can assign value to the what value to the final variable within the constructor body, within the constructor body. Okay, you can see here. Yeah, see here public final int a is equal to 10. Okay, for suppose, okay, forget to initialize. Okay, so forget to initialize. See here it is giving error. See, initialize field a in constructor. Okay, why? Because okay, here final variable. Okay, you should initialize at the time of what initialize at the time of declaration only. Otherwise, you can initialize it in what in the constructor. See like this. For suppose there is no constructor. Okay, then you will get error at the at declaration. See, it is saying what initialize field a at declaration. Okay, like this. So this is about final variable. Okay. See here, why we need to declare a variable as final. Okay. See, it's very simple. For suppose hours of the day. Okay, hours of the day is 24. Right. So in every in the in world, so for every person, the value of what hours of the day is same. So you should not change the value of what hours of the day. For suppose age. Age is what individual to everyone, right? So for all age is different, right? Person to person, but person to persons, what hours of the day is same. So like this, okay, some values are there. So for those values, you can use final as modifier. Okay, whenever you don't want to change the value of what a variable throughout the program. Okay, now weeks of the day. Okay, like this, weeks of the day, 7 only, right? Like that. Yeah. Next, next, final method. See, final method declared as what? Final cannot be overridden by its children. Okay, already I told you. So in the inheritance, okay, if you want to restrict the inheritance, okay, so you can use final what a keyword. Okay, so in inheritance, what is the significance of what significance of this final keyword? Yeah, see here method one, method two. In class B, see method one, method two, both are what overridden. See why? Because here class B is extended from A. Class B is extended from A. Now this method one, method two already defined in what base class A. Here method one and method two. Okay, these two are what inherited to B, but you overridden. Okay, here, right? You overridden here. Now here I want to what? I want to restrict this method. Okay, overridden by the subclass. Now I declare it as final. Now see here it is giving error. Remove final modifier of a dot method two. Cannot override final method from A. So whatever the okay method you declared as final, that final method can't be overridden by the subclass. Okay, can't be overridden by the subclass. And you can also use final modifier. Okay, final modifier before the class. Okay, for suppose if you use final modifier before the class, what happens? See here, final class B. Now here I want to extend class B into A. Extend A. Sorry, B. Now you will get an error. Why? Because here final class you cannot inherit. You cannot extend the final class into any other class. So whenever you want to, okay, whenever you want to what restrict your class, okay, restrict your class from what other classes to inherit. Then okay, simply use final keyword before the class declaration. Then no other class can override this what this final class. That's it.